Hey everybody, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I just ordered a lock from Amazon. I'm going to put the link down in the description. It is a beauty. It's a Schlage. And here's the price. It's on a discount right now. And you can't pass it up. My suppliers sell it for 38 bucks. But I have to pay $25 shipping for one lock. I don't have to do that with Amazon Prime. This is a commercial Schlage padlock. Let me get it out here. Look at that, all brass, so it won't tarnish. I really like these because I can repin it with my Schlage pinning kit. I'm a master locksmith, and I'm going to tell you something. I love this lock. I use these locks all over the place, and the 2-inch shackle from Amazon for 42 bucks, that's a winner. I highly recommend this lock. I can't wait to repin it. There you go. Hope you got some help out of this.